Friday 27th of September. So I started up with the port was coming over the engine room, and here 4 fasteners, 18mm bolts to fasten the lock over the engine room. This is the old one. It's in a very bad condition, but I'm straightening it out now so that it will fit for the next thing I'm going to do, and that is constructing a totally new port. Okay guys, I'm here in the garage tent again, and did put the port from the engine lock in here. So late just for the moment here, so that you can get a little introduction from I need from here to here, over there a quarter part and another quarter part on the left side. So I bring it back later when that is so far. I think in probably 1 week or so. It depends on my form and my health issues. So I have it on the workshop, but I need some other parts, and Bosch, what I do need now is to open 1 or 2 old pumps and take the parts from these, what I need in the other pump, what we have in the workshop. So I hope to get you bringing back soon again with more news and better news. Okay, I have to make some molds with cardboard to make a complete quarter part from the right side and a complete quarter part from the left side. So, but I hope I can continue with that tomorrow and make those parts in cardboard, and then I can make it afterwards in metal and press it out. So I'm now here in my porch, and I spent up the quarter panel from the middle on the loading platform for straightening it out, and on both sides a complete print of it, and what I can use on the metalwork I have to order 6 quarter parts in 1.0mm steel. Then I will produce the 6 quarter parts on my bead roller, and I hopefully will manage in a correct way so that I can mount it in probably about 3 or 4 weeks or something like that, but then I'll bring it back later on it. Okay. You guys, today so I did mark that with tape, so I continue. So I can make the cut now. I make it very easy so that I don't make any mistakes. What's often very quickly done when you're cutting in the metal. It's old and it's rusty, but I guess it's Okay. Oh, I had to put on the power. I just have to get my breath back again before I continue. So I did make adjustment here. Now we have to cut it off. Oh, that's correct. Okay. Okay. was something wrong with the wrong coupling to the camera. It is correct. This plate is correct. This part is 68 in the middle here in the length, and 68 in the breadth. And it is also corresponding with the size I need for the wall quarter part here, on 106 centimeters, and this is wider. $78. So that's okay. And also here, from the cabin in the middle here, is 77 centimeters from here to there, and 86 centimeters broad. So in the width, I mean. So then I have all the concrete measurements, or the correct measurements. So then can I order what for those 4 quarter parts, and I have to have some cardboard plates to make moulds for get the correct form and the correct measurements when I cut out the metalwork. So I bring it back later again, and I've done that, and came that. Okay guys, the mold is done, so now I can order the metal parts I need to reconstruct the loading platform, and also over the motor room, or the engine room, or the engine bay. So bring it back later when I have the materials. Okay, bye, ciao. Far that I can try it out and lay out on the platform here those 4 quarter parts, and afterwards the 2 quarter parts in the rear over the engine room. So bring it back later. Thank you very much for watching and interest in what I'm doing on my T3 single gap from 1982. It's now gone almost 10 years, so I hope I can have my nice and beloved T3 on the road in 2026 in the summertime. Okay, see you later, bye. Hey guys, so today on my birthday, the 30th of September 2025, I did reach the respectable age of 81 years, and I'm still going strong. So now I've done this, I show you, I did make a construction in pop or cardboard for the first quarter over the engine room on the right side. It's 1007 millimeters long. It's totally 1800 millimeter, 809.5 millimeter in the breadth, and here it's 580 millimeters to the corner and here. So I'll now take a break and look if I have made the correct measurements. This is the part from the right side. So this whole piece, this whole quarter piece, I have to reconstruct in metal. So I have to do now the left side. It's a little smaller than the right side. If I'm wrong, so now I've here the right side is a little smaller than the left side. The left side is 58, or what I've said, no, the right side is 58.5 and the left side is 47.5. So, but I bring you guys, I'll bring you back later again when I've done part number 2, but in a little while I take it out in the garage tent and see if it fits on the part, on the loading platform on my fallway pickup. Okay, bring back later. Ciao.